Thank you. My name is Rini Herlina. I'm a doctoral student of Sriwijaya University. Today, I want to present my research, literature study on the impact of mathematics learning implementation with lesson study for learning community, LSLC. I make this research together with my partner. They are Professor Ratu Ilma Indra Putri MSI and Professor Zulkardi MECOM MSc. This study aims to determine the impact of implementing mathematics learning with LSLC in school so that it can be a consideration for teacher so that they can be applied in the next learning process. The research method used is a literacy study with a meta-analysis type of research. PISA is an examination system initiated by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, to develop the education system 72 countries around the world. Every 3 years, 15 years old student randomly select to take a test of 3 basic competency, namely reading, math, and science. PISA measured what a study know and what he can do application with his knowledge. As you can see in this picture, it shows that the PISA result in 2015 and PISA 2018 in Indonesia had a different score for science, reading, and mathematics. For PISA 2015, the score of science part is 403, while in PISA 2080 and 80 is 396. For the reading part, the score in PISA 2015 is there 197, while in PISA 2080 is 379. And for the mathematics part, it shows that PISA 2018 is decreased than PISA 2016 because the score for PISA 2015 is there 186 and PISA 2015 is 397. In Indonesia itself is ranked 72 out of 79 countries that participate in the activities carried out by PISA, a program for the assessment of international students in the 2018 category. This means that the participant of Indonesian study is in bottom 10 country. In the same assessment, the average score of Indonesian mathematics is 397. This score is far from international average score of 500. One of the major problems in education in Indonesia is the low quality of education. This reflects in the low average learning of studies on the main subject that study must learn from basic education to higher education higher education in mathematics. The low mathematical ability of a student is certainly caused by several factors. One of the factors that accept the quality of student mathematical ability is the teacher played student more of subject and not as student subject. General, teachers are more active in transferring their knowledge while students are passive during learning. Explain that mathematics education has been more successful in fostering feeling of fair perception of mathematics as a science that is difficult to master, learning, boring, causing stress to students. Where a good mathematics learning process should involve the activeness of the students themselves, so that the material of concept conveys and can be understood properly and correctly. Teacher also need to make students aware of learning mathematics. Mathematics teaching and learning should also emphasize a student-centered approach and record students to build knowledge and ability to think mathematically in their own school. The 2013 curriculum in its development is supported by various policy development nationally, one of which is 21 Central Complete. Nuraida and Putri 2018 mentioned that the demand of curriculum development require teacher to provide memorable and interesting learning according to the standard process that has been set. In addition, improving the quality of 21 central education can also be realized through the 4C, namely communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Collaboration in this case, it can be interpreted as collaboration between student as well as collaboration between teacher and student. On why that can be done in meeting the demand of 21 centric competency is to implement lesson study for learning community in learning. Lesson study is an activity where teachers are required not only to teach but also to be able to analysis of review when teacher sees how student learn or the confusion experienced by student. Activity lesson study for learning community is a reviewment of the activity lesson study. One of the element in learning which LSLC is collaborate learning or learning communities. In practice, the LSLC emphasizes study on how students learn and collaborate compared to student on how teacher take and master to of materials. In her Asmawati 2013 in her research state that the applied collaborate learning state have success in increasing student learning activity because a state of learning activities emphasize student involvement from the beginning to the end of learning. Research method, the research method used in this study in literature review with the type of meta synthesis research, literature review in research activity that use data collection technique in the form of notes, book, paper, and journal article. The synthesis review all focus on learning mathematics with SLAC in school. The writing of a literature review is present in the form of narrative. A narrative review synthesis non-numeric data in a system-wide to identify the required meta-analysis. Describe the step of literature review as follow: collection data, data reduction, data display, and discussion. Research and discussion in Y cycle of LSLC implementation, there are 4 steps. The most be carried out, namely planning, and do implementation, C reflection, and redesign with Sato 2004. After the redesign state, the second cycle was carried out with the same state as in the first cycle. In practice, plan is the process of designing learning tool which include LKPD, sharing task, LKPD jumping task, dan evaluation. Do is a learning process in the classroom together with the model teacher and student. At this stage, students are asked to actively ask questions and collaboration with their group friends while working on the LKPD sharing tasks. At this stage, collaboration learning between students will appear. Meanwhile, when working on the LKPD jumping task, students are prohibited from ask their friend. In the C text, the teacher and the observer convey their finding during the implementation of learning in the classroom. Redesign is the process of redesigning learning defined based on the evaluation research that have been carried out at the CTEX. From the result of the online research was found 30 research titled discuss LSLC, but there were only 7 titles that discuss the implementation of LSLC in learning mathematics in school, while the other 23 titles discuss LLSC in a general of or the implementation of LSLC in learning other subjects. The following is data on 7 studies that discuss the implementation of SLLC in school and their result. The following is data from 7 studies that discuss the apply of LSLC in school and their result. From the result of a review of the implementation of mathematics learning with LSLC in school, it is known that most of the studies have a positive impact on learning mathematics. Most of the review explain collaboration learning that arises during learning with the LSLC. Nuraida and Putri, 2018, in their research state that the process of collaboration and caring during the learning process. In collaborative learning or learning process collaboration, students are encouraged to work together with group mates, while caring community, students are tried to care for each other in group activities. Also mean the emergency of the process of collaboration during his study with LSLC in this research. Apart from the emergency of the process collaborate in learning, LSLC also help studies to understand concept and solve mathematical problem, including two concept of multiplication and the division of interest. In finding concept in number pattern material, Octarina 2019 and solving a statistical problem using very good. Another important finding is that studies are seen to be more activities during the teaching and learning process because students are given the opportunity to discuss, ask questions, and have opinion in group those group discussion, as well as studies perception of teacher on the implementation of learning and of subject math is getting better. Learning is also more study center, and the teacher acts more as a facilitator in relation to the mathematical process. learning with LSLC also has a positive impact with the emergence of indicator of mathematical process such as mathematical ratio, mathematical connection, critical thinking skill, and how. Conclusion. Based on the review and discussion in the previous explanation, it can be conclusive that the implementation of LSLC in learning mathematics in school has a good impact on learning mathematics itself. Collaborative learning, a pair in learning, mathematics concepts are easily understood by students, and indicator of mathematical process appear in learning. Students are also more active because learning is centered on student, while the teacher only serves as a facilitator. Most of the findings explain the effective finish of implementing LSLC in learning mathematics in school. Research on the implementation of LSLC in learning mathematics in school should be increased in order to reduce problem in learning mathematics. So this the final of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum.